What's going on, guys? Brian here, and today we're going to go over 3 things that you might not know about online arbitrage. Now, online arbitrage is a great way to make money online. Whether you're just trying to make a few extra $1,000s a month on the side for a little bit of your time, or you're trying to scale it all the way up to a full-time business, online arbitrage is a great answer for you. Alright, number 1. Now, did you know that you can do online arbitrage and start it with practically any amount of money? That's right. Now, perhaps the number 1 question that I get asked is, how much do I need to start online arbitrage? And the answer is, any amount is fine. You can start with $10, you can start with $50, you can start with $100, or you can start with a few grand. It's up to you. Whatever you have to start, think of it as a short-term investment that you'll flip for a profit. It's simple economics. So if you had $10 to start, you could basically buy a few products and maybe turn that into about 100. Then take that 100 that you made, reinvest it into more products, and maybe churn out 1,000 pretty quickly. Obviously, it does help if you have more to start with though. Now, I'd say I'd roughly drop about $1,000 on arbitrage products every month or so, and that usually churns me out about 10 grand in overall revenue every single month. Now, for those sticklers out there, yes, that might only be 5 to 8 grand, obviously profit after your Amazon fees and some slight shipping charges, but that's still about, 5 to 8 grand profit every single month, and we're talking about maybe 10 hours a week of my time max. Moving on to number 2 now. Did you know that you can do online arbitrage right from your house? Yup. Now, most of you know that online arbitrage obviously means that you're sourcing products online and you don't actually have to go to retail stores or flea markets or garage sales to actually pick up those physical items. So yes, you're getting great products right from your computer wherever you are. But did you also know that you could schedule pickups through UPS and FedEx as well? And they'll come to your house and pick those products right up, right from your door. So to sum that up, you can source great products right from your couch, or your bed, or your backyard freaking tree if you want. Then you can schedule pickups right from your front door, where they'll come and pick the products up for you, so you don't have to do any legwork, you don't have to go to the post office, you don't have to do any of that. Then, on top of that, obviously they'll take them and deliver them to Amazon, who will then do the fulfillment, the customer service, and literally everything for you from that point forward. All you have to do is watch your Amazon seller account balance go up and up and up and up. Alright, moving on to number 3, and if that last one wasn't great enough, number 3 certainly is. Did you know that you can do all this online arbitrage without ever having to pack, ship, or do any of the grunt work that is usually involved in, repackaging and then shipping back out products to customers? That's right. How, you might ask? By using prep centers. You can source all your products online very, very easily. Then get them shipped to a prep center and not your house. That prep center will then open all your boxes, do all the relabeling and repackaging for you, and then ship it all out to Amazon, who will then do all the grunt work and get it to the customer. The times we live in, it is crazy. So yes, that means that you can make 5 to 10 grand right from your computer without really doing barely any work at all. That also means that you can do online arbitrage like we're talking about right here from anywhere in the world. You can simply source products from the US marketplace, and I always recommend the US marketplace because it is the biggest and has the most sales velocity. You can source products right from the US marketplace, send them to a US prep center and not your country or wherever you're located, and then obviously that prep center will ship them back into Amazon FBA, who will flip them back on the US marketplace. Amazing stuff, and it's even easier than it sounds. Now, if you're looking for a step-by-step tutorial course on how to easily make 5 to 10 grand a month right from your computer doing online arbitrage like we're talking about right here, you're in luck. Today, we're running a 40% off site-wide Black Friday sale, which obviously includes 40% off Online Arbitrage Pro. Online Arbitrage Pro is a step-by-step tutorial course with 50+ lectures walking you from A to Z through everything from sourcing, prepping, shipping in, fulfilling, and collecting the money. It doesn't matter if you have any experience with Amazon or even arbitrage before. It doesn't matter if you're experienced or you literally have zero experience with this Amazon arbitrage business. This course will walk you through everything that you need to know. And that course is linked in the description for anybody that wants to enroll at 40% off. That is the first link in the description. Use the coupon code INCREASEINCOME at checkout to get 40% off anything, including Online Arbitrage Pro. Now remember, this is a Black Friday sale coupon code only, so you do only have a few hours to decide if you want to enroll at this special price. You have to ask yourself, what is making 5 to 10 grand a month right from my computer worth to me? If that sounds like something you want, then this course is perfect for you. Now, I'll flash some reviews up on the screen while I go over exactly what you'll get. When you enroll in this course, you'll get 16 amazing websites you can source endless arbitrage products from. You'll get email mentorship from me throughout the entire process. So as you start to make more money, you can bounce questions off me and I can help ease you through the business model a little smoother and easier. You'll also get constant updates, so any new policies that Amazon implements, I'll obviously upload a new video if that's something that affects us as online arbitrage sellers. And perhaps the most important thing of all, new ways to deal with other sellers and to deal with Amazon to protect your account so you can continue making money long term. Now, I've been doing this for almost 2 years, and I've taught over 10,000 people to do this as well. So I've seen it all. Seen the marketplace, the sellers, and Amazon all adjust. I know how to handle it all exactly, and I can help walk you through the entire process. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, and you'd like to make 5 to 10 grand a month with online arbitrage, click the first link in the description and grab Online Arbitrage Pro tonight while it's still 40% off. The coupon code is on the screen right now for you. Now, there's a lot of profit to be made, and it doesn't take a whole lot of steps, but you do have to take that first step. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Remember to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.